In this video, I will teach you how to use an eBay gift card with PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process on the eBay website as I'm doing here at www.ebay.com or through the mobile app. If you go to the official website and you access the help page about the gift cards, as you can see the frequently asked questions about eBay gift cards, if you scroll down into these articles, you will be able to find the answer to your question. As you can see, if I press Ctrl F and I look for PayPal, they have a question dedicated to this. Do I need a PayPal account to use an eBay gift card? You no longer need a PayPal account to use an eBay gift card when purchasing items on eBay. In the past, you had to use a PayPal account even if you had an eBay gift card, but nowadays the process has been updated, so you don't need to use your PayPal account anymore. Furthermore, you cannot link the eBay gift card to PayPal. If you go over to your PayPal wallet, add a new payment method, and you try to add the eBay gift card that you have, you will notice that it will not accept it as a payment method. So all you have to do is go on eBay, find the item that you want to buy, add it to your cart, and go to the checkout process. When you reach checkout, you will have to choose the eBay gift card as the payment option. And as long as you have enough balance in the gift card you selected, you will be able to finish your purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an eBay gift card with PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.